Hey, everybody. I rarely go live in the evening. I feel like such a rebel. For going live here. So, I have something provocative to say and to give you. I want to give every single person on my friends list, all 5,000 of you, all 1,200 of my followers, I want to give every single one of you $300. Let me tell you how I am going to be able to do that. It's pretty fantastic. Raise your hand if you want to hear. Raise your hand if you want to hear how I can give every single one of you $300. It's pretty awesome. Are you ready? Okay, but before I tell you, because I like the suspense, before I tell you, let me ask you guys, how many of you, just show me a heart in the comments down below, if you have a grocery store card or like a CVS card, like a Kroger card, Tom Thumb card, CVS, Walgreens. It's a card that they give you and then you save money on buying stuff in their store. How many of you have one of those cards? I have a lot of them. You know, they give you a card, costs you nothing to get that card. As long as you make your purchases in that store using that number, they're gonna give you a discount, right? So it works pretty amazing. So that's exactly what I am offering you. Only this is concerning your travel expenses. So what I want to do is I want to give you a travel savings website that you would use just like Expedia, hotels, Travelocity, whatever, Trivago, all that. Only when you use this website, you're going to save up to 70% on your travel expenses. Okay, so here's where the $300 comes in. The average customer is going to save $600, $300 to $600. Is it? Why am I fumbling on that? $300 to $600 a year on travel, okay, using this website. So essentially, you're going to be doing the same travel. You're just going to use our website to book that travel, and you're going to save an average of $300, okay? So essentially, I'm putting $300 in your pocket. You would have spent it, but now you're not going to spend it just because you're using a different website. That's it. That is it. The website looks just like the other travel booking sites. You reserve it. I personally used my site 4 times already this year. It's been seamless. It's amazing. But get this, there's more. I'm going to turn that $300 into way more money very quickly because our travel was just the first thing that these websites are going to have on them. Very soon, these websites are going to have discount mobile phone service. So literally, I could be putting 10, 15, 20 or more dollars in your pocket every single month if you decide to use the discounted mobile phone service whenever we launch it in the next couple months. But wait, there's more. We're also launching a ride sharing service. So instead of using Uber or Lyft, you're going to use what our ride company is called Vibe Ride, and you're actually going to save big time money every time you use that. That's just what's coming up immediately. There's going to be services and things added to this savings website all the time. Our CEO, listen, are you listening? Our CEO has the intention of our company being the biggest brand in the world. Biggest brand in the world by 2022. So, you've got nothing to lose here. Just activate your site and save money. It's 100% free to try and free to keep. There's no membership fees. There's nothing. You just grab a site. You have to have a code because it's a membership only site. That's how we are legally allowed to give you these discounts, is because you are a part of a members only group. But there's no fees for you to join this members only group. I know. Everybody's like, what's the catch, Liz? There isn't a catch. There's no catch. So if you want one of these free websites, it's really simple. If you're watching here on Facebook, just go up to the description and I put the website that you go to activate it, and I have your code there. If you're watching on YouTube, it's going to be down below in the description. Okay? And lastly, because I know some of you that are watching this are like, wait a minute, Liz, what's in it for you? So what's in it for me is I do earn a commission when you save money by using this website. It's pretty freaking fantastic. So I help you save money, and then I earn a commission when you save money. Pretty way cool. So if anybody wants to know exactly how I do that, just private message me or put a comment down below and say I want more info, and I'll get that information to you. So sign up for your $300 savings. Yeah, at least $300. If you travel multiple times a year, guys, you could be saving thousands of dollars by using this site. So it's really awesome. You'll have a great evening. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.